Spend the day with me, I'll show you what we do.
Okay, let's go.
So today we're on the way to Doncaster, to Wheatley Youth Centre. We know what Doncaster's famous for.
What are you eating?
Yeah, to Wheatley Youth Centre to finish off a solar project we started a little while back now. It took a while to get this over the line. The design stage is pretty tricky. We're dealing with Van der Vault directly with regards to the roofing system. It's a PVC covered roof on a wooden roof, so it couldn't take the weight of the weights. So we had to get a unique system called a Van der Vault Solar Fix. Ended up with the architect dealing with Van der Vault directly. Like I say, a bit of a tricky job, but we got that bit over the line. But yeah, we're going to finish the inverter and the power side today. See you soon.
We're here. Sunny, done it.
For this bit there. Let's see how they've left it for me. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, I need to run a trunking down from ceiling to meet this. So I left a bit of a bigger hole than I expected, but... And then got my isolators, AC isolators, DC isolators, and the inverter going here. So on this project we're using X3 Pro G2, 10 kilowatt. So that's inverter, it's going here. Just wanted to check inside the instruction manual. Distances. It's 30 centimetres all around. So as long as we've got 30 centimetres down, 30 centimetres across and 30 centimetres above, we're fine to fit that. Probably will get away with using their fixings that they've sent, which I've already lost. Yeah. Probably we will use these because they've got wooden backboard behind here, so we'll be able to use them, which is handy. Park Electrical saving day, last minute. My bubble broken, that doesn't look level. Says she didn't look level. Should just been the bracket. It is. It's level. Just need to fix it in that side. Make sure we've got our distances. 300 on each side. All in the bar. Yeah, 300 bar. Right, now I've got that mounted. I'm going to get my trunking down and then see how my isolators are going to land. Right, so we've got the grid tested now. Done a loop test, installation resistance on that. Covered that up. Back isolated here, knock it back up here as well for now. I'll label that up there soon. Got my DC to put into my isolators and out to my strings here. MPP 1 and 2. And we'll do a string test again on the DC. I've already done it before when we first fixed it. I'll do it again. We'll stick as MC4s on and sit them in, and then it's ready to go then. What we're doing here is we've got this AC isolator, which we've tested now. We've got DC string 1, string 2. So I've connected up to my C-wood now. I'll turn them on. Now we're connected through as MC4s. See as voltage, and we're testing this on auto. We're also doing an insulation resistance to the main earth as well. But there you go. There's the readings on that. But yeah, we're doing insulation resistance to our main earth. We've done it to the trunking on this. This trunking is earthed through. But yeah, that's string 1 and string 2 tested now. The power supply is tested to this. There's going to be a call back to this site now for the Wi-Fi dongle, setting it all up to the Wi-Fi. And we've got shutdown procedures to put on wall. We're doing some labelling up now, and yeah, we're more or less there. So you can just see on there now, I think, I can see it. Yeah, 2.7 kilowatt, well 2680 watts producing at minute. Get a couple more tie wraps in that, and as you can see on your screen, import is showing 0 and export is 0.42. So everything's working as it should. It's in normal mode. All good. So that's it then, all labelled up, all up and running. It's got a bit dusty already, it's a bit weird. I'll have to try and keep on top of that. But yeah, we've got 24 panels on this job. Used this little roof exiting pipe there. Got all the trays earthed, labelled up. Again, this for a solar fix system through the PVC membrane, and then it will welded onto the pad. Onto the roof membrane. Roof was rodded through. It's all up and running. If you're interested in solar panel installation or battery storage, you can get in touch with us via our social medias or our website.